Did you know the average cost to replace an automatic transmission is over $4,000? And that's if you're lucky. Some luxury vehicles can run upwards of $10,000. The shocking truth is that most transmission failures aren't from normal wear and tear. They're from simple mistakes that could have been avoided. Today, I'm revealing 5 deadly transmission killers that mechanics see every day. The fourth one costs Americans millions in repairs annually, yet almost nobody talks about it. If you've owned your vehicle for more than 3 years, you might already be causing irreversible damage without realizing it. Mistake number 1, neglecting fluid checks and changes. Your transmission fluid is literally the lifeblood of your automatic transmission. Unlike engine oil that burns up during combustion, transmission fluid doesn't get used up, but that doesn't mean it lasts forever. Over time, transmission fluid breaks down. Heat is the primary enemy. Every time you drive, especially under load or in traffic, your transmission temperature rises. The fluid contains crucial additives that prevent corrosion, reduce friction, and clean internal components. These additives deplete with time and heat cycles. Here's what happens when you neglect your transmission fluid. Metal-on-metal contact increases as lubrication decreases. Friction bands wear prematurely. Valve bodies get clogged with debris. Solenoids fail from working harder to push dirty fluid. Seals harden and crack. The transmission in your Buick, Ford, or Chevy was engineered with specific service intervals, yet nearly 70% of vehicle owners exceed these intervals by more than double. The problem is that damage occurs long before you notice any symptoms. The correct procedure is simple. Check your transmission fluid level in condition monthly. Look for these warning signs: dark brown or black color instead of bright red or light brown, burnt smell, particles or debris in the fluid, foamy appearance. For most vehicles, a transmission fluid change is recommended every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. However, if you frequently tow, live in a hot climate, or drive in the stop-and-go traffic, cut that interval in half. When changing fluid, insist on the exact transmission fluid specified by your manufacturer. Using the wrong type is like putting diesel in a gasoline engine. Catastrophic damage will follow. Mistake number 2, shifting while in motion. This next mistake might surprise you because it seems so harmless, yet it places enormous stress on your transmission's internal components. Shifting from drive to reverse, or vice versa, while your vehicle is still moving, is one of the fastest ways to destroy an automatic transmission. The parking pawl, clutch packs, and bands aren't designed to stop a moving vehicle. That's what your brakes are for. When you shift from drive to reverse while rolling forward, you force the transmission to engage gears moving in opposite directions. This creates a shearing force that can instantly damage clutch packs, planetary gears, valve bodies, the torque converter. What's particularly dangerous is that modern transmissions have electronic safeguards that try to prevent engagement until the vehicle stops. This gives drivers a false sense of security. Even if the transmission doesn't fully engage, the attempted engagement still creates wear on components. The proper technique is simple. Come to a complete stop before shifting between drive and reverse. Every time. No exceptions. Even rolling at 1 to 2 miles per hour during a shift can lead to premature transmission failure. And be especially careful when parking on hills. Many drivers develop the habit of shifting to park and then applying the parking brake. Reverse this order. Apply the parking brake first, then shift to park. This prevents the vehicle's weight from resting on the transmission's parking pawl, which is just a small metal pin that can break under excessive force. Coming up next is the transmission killer is so common that transmission rebuilders can identify it immediately upon disassembly. And yet, most drivers have no idea they're doing it. Mistake number 3, overheating from towing or heavy loads. Your automatic transmission was designed to operate within a specific temperature range, typically between 175 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Exceed that range consistently, and you're drastically shortening its lifespan. Towing and hauling create enormous heat in your transmission. Without proper cooling, temperatures can exceed 250 degrees, at which point the fluid begins to break down. At 295 degrees, seals start to fail. By 315 degrees, critical damage occurs within minutes. The problem is that many vehicles, especially older models, have insufficient cooling for their automatic transmissions. The factory transmission cooler built into your radiator might be adequate for normal driving, but it simply can't handle the additional heat generated by towing trailers or boats, hauling heavy loads, mountain driving, extended high-speed travel. This is particularly important for our viewers with older American sedans and SUVs that weren't originally equipped with robust towing packages. Here's the solution. If you regularly tow or haul heavy loads, install an auxiliary transmission cooler. These aftermarket units cost between $80 to $200 and can reduce transmission temperatures by 30 to 50 degrees. They're relatively simple to install, even for the average home mechanic. For those who tow frequently, consider these additional precautions. Use synthetic transmission fluid if approved for your vehicle. Install a transmission temperature gauge. Stop and allow the transmission to cool if temperatures exceed 225 degrees. Avoid using cruise control when towing uphill. Remember, every 20-degree increase in operating temperature cuts your transmission's lifespan in half. An auxiliary cooler is cheap insurance against a multi-thousand-dollar repair. Mistake number 4, ignoring early warning signs. This fourth mistake costs Americans millions in unnecessary repairs every year. Unlike catastrophic engine failures that happen suddenly, transmission problems almost always provide early warning signs. The problem is that most drivers ignore these symptoms until it's too late. By the time your transmission starts slipping noticeably or refusing to shift, internal damage has already occurred. But there are subtle early warnings that can save you thousands if you pay attention. Delayed engagement when shifting from park to drive or reverse. If there's more than a 1-second delay before the vehicle moves, something's wrong. Unusual sounds during shifting. Any bumps, clunks, or whining noises that coincide with gear changes indicate trouble. Shift flaring. When the engine RPM surge during a shift before the next gear engages. Burning smell from under the vehicle after driving. Small dark spots on your driveway that aren't engine oil. Transmission fluid leaks often start small, but indicate failing seals. Check engine light. Many drivers assume this only relates to engine problems, but modern transmissions are computer-controlled and often trigger fault codes before major issues develop. The most ignored warning sign is subtle vibration during shifting. Many drivers attribute this to normal aging of their vehicle, but it often indicates worn clutch packs or solenoid problems that will steadily worsen. If you notice any of these symptoms, the best course of action is to check and top off transmission fluid, have diagnostic codes read, and consult with a trusted mechanic. Early intervention can often save a transmission before complete replacement becomes necessary. Mistake number 5, riding the brakes in traffic. The fifth deadly transmission killer affects drivers who spend time in heavy traffic. It's called riding the brakes, and it creates a condition that transmission specialists call heat soak. Here's what happens. When you're in stop-and-go traffic, constantly keeping your foot on the brake while the transmission is in drive forces the torque converter to continuously slip. This generates tremendous heat that gets trapped in the transmission case with nowhere to dissipate. The automatic response from many drivers is, "But I have to keep my foot on the brake in traffic." True, but there's a better technique. When stopped for more than 10 seconds, shift to neutral. This allows the torque converter to stop applying pressure and dramatically reduces heat buildup. Another common scenario is holding your vehicle on an incline using the accelerator and brake simultaneously. This might seem convenient at stoplights or in drive-through lines, but it's brutal on your transmission. The transmission is trying to move forward while the brakes are forcing it to stay still. All that energy converts to heat inside your transmission. Instead, use your brake pedal alone to hold position on hills. If the weight will be extended, apply the parking brake and shift to neutral until it's time to move again. For drivers of older American vehicles without advanced electronic controls, this practice is even more critical. Those transmissions lack the thermal protection of modern designs and will fail faster under these conditions. A transmission temperature gauge is an excellent investment for anyone who regularly drives in heavy traffic. They're inexpensive and can be installed in an afternoon, providing valuable information about when your transmission is entering the danger zone. Now you know the 5 most common mistakes that destroy automatic transmissions years before their time. Implementing these simple changes in your driving habits could save you thousands in repair costs and extend your vehicle's life by years.